Okay, this is our vegan meal happening again here. So we have some avocado, as you see. There's all the rich, nice fat. We have some smoked tofu that we smoke ourselves. Some spinach, salty spinach. Some onions, some grilled peppers, zucchinis. We have there also that is sauteed in there. And we have some black eyed peas. Black eyed peas, we love black eyed peas. Full of iron and protein. And we have a little bit of that. And underneath, you could see there, using my fork here, you can see here we have plantain. There's our starch instead of potatoes. Beautiful. A little bit of olive oil to finish, and we're good to go. Salt, pepper, all good to go.
That's it. Bon appetit. This is what I'm going to have for my one meal a day. I am going to eat that, and then I'm gonna have my then I'm going to have my cashew and one apple and then one banana with peanut butter. That's it. Hopefully that helped. Love you guys. Eat healthy, stay young, stay beautiful. This is what I'm going to have for dessert. A juicy, juicy, juicy watermelon.
Salad that we have here is iceberg lettuce that a lot of people don't even know, or people don't even want to eat it anymore, but it's just full of water. So it's, you know, if you're looking for a good quality of you're looking at your intake of your lettuce and all those stuff, iceberg is one of those lettuce that have a less other stuff in it. It's just more water than anything else, so it's great for you. And you know, you have some olives there, you have avocado, you have tomato, you have onions, you have a little bit of acid in there, so it's red wine vinegar that we use in there, and so it's a tomato salsa. Very great. So we don't even have a little bit of olive oil in there. We don't even have nothing else in there. There's no sugar, there's no honey, there's none of that stuff in there. Straight healthy, I think.
What did you just add, babe?
Tomato sauce.
A little bit. Don't go too crazy.
Just a little bit of tomato sauce, a little bok choy, a little snow peas. Chef, a little bit of secret spice. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil to get it a little saucy. That's it. Broccoli, bok choy, snow peas, all green. A little bit of tomato sauce, a little bit. Yes, not much, because the wife doesn't like her food too saucy. That's it. Oh, where's the veggies? Oh, it's there. Just gotta go down on the bottom. There you go, veggies. Where you think it just pasta only? No, it's veggies. I guess it could have a little bit more veggies, but it's fine. Here you go. Bon appetit.
Merci. More olive oil. So you know I love my spaghetti, and this is how I like it. Just simple with veg, and this is what we're gonna have. I love it. It's so yummy. It's so good.
My wife is having some noodles today, which is called a glass noodle or rice noodle with some ripini, corn, smoked tofu, some green beans, our favorite is green beans, carrots, of course, peppers, bit of olive oil, salt, and also I have in here some red onion that I just sauteed, and I put a bit of mango chipotle spice, just a kick flavor into it, right? Vegan food, vegetarian food, right? Now, the thing with these glass noodles, you have to make sure that it's not boiling them. You just need to soak them and dehydrate them again. You know, it's not cooking them. You don't want them to be falling apart. You want them to be stringy and nice. This is how she like them. You see this? Not wet, but it's, you know, see? Right? Glass noodles. Right? The corn in there, yes, I didn't take it off the thing, but it's a nice treat that she could eat it like meat. She could treat it like a meat, you know? All done. So basically you just pull it up like that. Oh, I get some of the goodie stuff too, so. See, my wife don't eat a lot, so I can't put a lot in there. So yeah, but this year she's good for her. She eats a small portion. Put a couple of corn. Some tofu, making sure she gets a little bit of everything there. Alright. She's not gonna eat any avocado today, because she have this. There you go. If you like, you can put things like cilantro to it. I didn't have any cilantro in here, but you could put cilantro so to finish off.